Hello guys, welcome to Pulsefire Tech. In this video, how to make your PC look like gold and amazing and attractive. Let's go start the video. First of all, going your remove your desktop icon and going to taskbar setting. Open the setting and first of all the search engine box hide from taskbar items and all the widgets and go to taskbar behavior and customize your taskbar. This is on your center. Okay, close the tab. I give link in the description to download this project. Extract here, open it, and first of all install TB. Translate TB. Open and continue. Right click on TB and go to your desktop and clear it. And the next step is install the reminder. Go to your Microsoft Store and download the lively wallpaper. Click on search lively wallpaper and install it. After the install, open it. The lively wallpaper is open and open your project folder. And paste this wallpaper on lively wallpaper. Click OK. You can see the wallpaper is going to add. And extract this raw file and open and install the remainder. Close this lively wallpaper. Install reminder. Next. After the finish, close these 4 tabs. Unhide at last. This unhide. Open this remainder and going to again your project folder and these 2 folders copy and paste in the documents of remainder. Going to documents, remainder, again go and paste here. After paste here, refresh the remainder. You can see the folders 2 is coming and open all the folder and double click on these file. Settings, tabs, you can see the clock is come on the desktop. You can close these settings and down the reminder and close this unusable. You can also run the software iTunes. Close this also settings and paste this setting on the right side and the clock is here the right side. Okay guys, you can see that your desktop is look like amazing and attractive. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting and attractive videos. Thank you so much.